Hello everyone, I thought that I would take you on a little light tour of some of our town and share our Christmas Eve and Christmas Day with you. So that's what I'm doing now, and you may tell that I am a bit nasally. I did get sick the day after Christmas. Yeah. It's okay though. Aren't these lights awesome? This whole house has so many inflatables, and it's different every year because they're always adding to it. And we couldn't go any slower. We're on a main road, so. And here is our beautiful Christmas tree this year. I just started decorating and ended up doing white and red and of course green because of the tree. And I love how it turned out. I love my new ornament there. It's a nativity scene, the birth of our Lord, and I love it. And a lot of the ornaments came from Dollar Tree. As you can tell, the owl, the red trucks. I have broken off poinsettias stuck in the tree, which I absolutely love. I done that last year as well. And we have our little countdown calendar, days till Christmas, and as you can tell, one day. It's the 24th this day. And there is our tree. Well, today is December the 24th. I thought that I would share with you what I'm working on today. And it's Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year's. In case I don't see you until after then, God bless. I really hope you guys are having a blessed holiday. So, it's the 24th. I should have done this last night, but this is what I've been working on. I have peanut butter cookies. I always make my dad peanut butter cookies. I put chocolate chips in some of them. So, and that. And then, also for our third Christmas, luckily this year, we decided to break up our Christmases. So, Monday, the 23rd, yesterday, we done my nanny's Christmas, and we done John's side, at his dad's. The 24th, always, no matter what, this never ever changes in my entire life. I'm 32. This has never changed. We always go to my mama's for Christmas Eve. This year, also, I'm gonna take peanut butter fudge there and peanut butter balls, which I have recipes for the fudge and the peanut butter balls. I loaded that last year, I believe, so in the kitchen playlist description box below. Do you like my pot holder? It's so cute. And I just found these little loaf pans at the Dollar General on Christmas clearance last year, so I'd put them away. I decided to put some tissue paper in there and put the candies in there for the dinner. And I'm also going to be taking some cookies as well, alongside with my dad's cookie gift. Here is the makeup I wore on the 24th to our holiday get-togethers. I love it. It's making my green eyes pop, and it's using a little Inglot eyeshadow, the Smoke and Mirrors palette, a Natasha Denona palette. I do plan on filming a tutorial for this, and I have some beautiful Broadway lashes on.
It's a TV box. It's a TV box.
What'd you get?
I got a TV box.
What else?
I don't know.
Show me the other stuff. Roblox? What else? What's behind you? What's that called?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh what?
It's Play-Doh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude, we got Funnel Boy. We got Funnel Boy.
Wow.
Dude, we got Funnel Boy. What's this? I got turkey. This is swamp. Slime. Let's open this. I think it's there.
Who is that one?
It's there.
Show me to the camera. Wow. Did you want that one?
I got Daddy.
And after you saw Connor opening some of his gifts, we have our dinner here. And I made roast, cranberry stuffing, turkey gravy, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese. For our Christmas day, we always stay home. And we got a Roku TV for Christmas. And we have recently discovered Pluto TV. And we binge watched the challenge all Christmas Day. We also watched Star Wars Revenge of the Sith, my personal favorite movie of the saga. Eat some pumpkin pie, and I literally ended my night with some hot chocolate, and yes, those are Lucky Charm marshmallows on top. And that was our Christmas day and night, and we will end on some fun footage of Connor playing with his RC cars with Daddy.
Hey, get all this. Oh my God.
So I thought I would end the end of the vlog actually with what I got for Christmas. And no, it is not much. I don't ask for anything. I don't expect anything. I'm 32. I just want Connor to have a great Christmas. So if I get anything, you know, it's a nice surprise. So we did get a new TV, and we got a Roku TV, which I'm in love with. Yes, please. Having Pluto TV alone has just been great. I love the challenge, and being able to binge watch the challenge anytime I want to. Also, Teen Mom, 16 and Pregnant, Unsolved Mysteries. Oh my god, I could go on forever. Anyways, I got this family picture. It's like a wood picture, and it says family, like branches on a tree will all grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm miserable. Anyways, I love this. It's absolutely beautiful. I did get this Merry Christmas ornament, and although Christmas is over, we will definitely use this next year. I got these awesome, nice, fluffy, big, thick socks. Awesome. I did get some Clinique makeups and a mascara and some cleansing balm, which I cannot wait to try out. I've got that, and my favorite gift came from Connor. So Connor knows I love to color, and so the Crayola Uni Creatures, and these have 64 pages in them. Oh my goodness. How neat! I cannot wait to color. And this is Cosmic Cats and Other Galactic Things. Also 64 pages. Yeah, so that was the Christmas gifts I got. Thank you guys for watching. Also, I want to say, I know I've been saying this a lot in my videos, be grateful, be thankful, and be happy that you even got anything. I mean, I could care less if I got any of these gifts, as long as my family had a wonderful Christmas, and we had food in our bellies, dirty dishes in the sink, a pillow to sleep on, a blanket to cover up with, clothes on our back, and shoes on our feet. You get what I'm saying? So always be grateful, you guys. Don't ever forget to thank the Lord. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys had wonderful holidays as well. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos.